Don't forget to like your favorite foods. Hello everyone, B Radical here. Happy Saturday to all. Today I have a Japanese Kit Kat. And let's see what it looks like today. It's green on there. What is it gonna look like in there? Looks green. And here we go. Never seen a green Kit Kat before. It's not bad. It's like there's a taste to it. I'm not sure what. If I had to rate this Kit Kat out of 10, it'll be a solid 2 out of 10. It's not really my personal favorite. It has a bit of spinach taste to it, and yeah, so that's why I rate it a 2 out of 10. So there you go. Don't forget to like your favorite foods. This is B Radical.